Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get into university. Begin by understanding that early planning is absolutely key. Start thinking about your future academic path during your 9th or 10th grade. Researching different universities and specific programs will help you identify institutions that align perfectly with your aspirations. Establishing a solid academic base in subjects you enjoy and excel at is your crucial first step towards securing admission to your dream university. Academic excellence forms the cornerstone of a strong university application. Strive for top grades across all subjects, showing your commitment to learning and your capacity for rigorous coursework. Opt for advanced placement or international baccalaureate courses, if available, as these demonstrate your ability to handle university-level material. Dedicate sufficient time to prepare for standardized tests, aiming for scores that place you in the top 25% of applicants for your desired institutions. Beyond academics, universities seek well-rounded individuals who contribute positively to their environments. Participate in extracurricular activities that truly resonate with your interests, whether it is music, debate, or athletics. Demonstrate initiative by taking on leadership roles, showcasing your ability to guide and inspire others. Engaging in meaningful community service further illustrates your character and your commitment to making a difference, creating a distinctive and memorable profile for your application. Your application is your opportunity to tell your story and make a lasting impression. Invest significant time in writing a personal statement that reflects your authentic voice and illustrates your unique qualities. Carefully choose teachers and counselors to write your letters of recommendation, ensuring they can speak genuinely about your strengths and contributions. Remember to customize each application, clearly articulating why you are an ideal candidate for that particular university, often taking several hours per application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.